Oh Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, you're Allah's chosen one.
That how many of us we find ourselves that we advise our children today, we find the children being off guard. We take an example when a father, he took his son onto a balcony and he said to his son, "Oh son," and looking up to the night sky, he pointed out to one star. And he said to his son, "Oh son, what is this light that's in the sky?" And the son looked at the father, said, "Oh father, it's a star." And they sat there in the balcony. A few minutes passed and the father again turns to the son, "Oh son, this bright light in the sky, it looks beautiful, what is it?" And again the son looks at the father, "Dad, I told you, it's a star." So then a few minutes more passed. Again the father looks at the stars and again he says to his son, "Oh son, what is this bright light in the sky?" And the son turns to the father in anger, "Oh old man, have you gone blind? How many times have I told you? I've told you that it's a star." Tears flow from the eyes of the father. And the father replied to the son, "Oh son, when you're a young child, when you're a baby, how many times used you ask me, 'Dad, what is this? Dad, what is that? Dad, what is this? Dad, what is that?' And not once did I get angry at you. Not once did I shout at you. Not once did I tell you off and tell you, 'Look, I've told you and that's enough.' Every time you questioned, I answered you. And today, that I find myself that I've only asked you something 3 times and you address me as an old man." And the tears grew from the son's eyes. Because we don't remember what our parents have done for us. We do not remember the hardship. We only see when we have younger brothers and younger sisters, the difficulty they go through. And even then we're too young to understand. Only when we attain parenthood and we become parents, we realize the difficulty and the hardship. We realize how much our parents went through. And we should always be dutiful to our parents no matter what.